How to add Revolut to Apple Watch. Revolut is a fintech company that offers digital banking services, including multi-currency accounts, international payments, crypto and stock trading, and budgeting tools, all through a mobile app. First, download Revolut application from Google Play Store or App Store. This is the home screen. Click on Cards right here on this menu. You can also get here by clicking on Hub. Then click on Cards. Click on your virtual card right here. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see an image of your virtual card for Revolut. And in order to add this into Apple Pay, you just simply click on this button down here called Add to Apple Wallet. You can choose to add it into your watch and your phone. Enter card details and click on Next. That's it. Thanks for watching.